Let me show you how to create this text effect in Photoshop. Select View and choose Ruler. Drag the vertical line to the center. Choose the rectangular marquee tool. Add layer mask and duplicate the layer. Drag the image and right-click and choose the horizontal flip. Go to Adjustment Layer and select Solid Color and take Black Background and hit OK. Go to Type Tool, select Windows and choose Character. Hide this layer. Write your text and adjust it. Drag this layer like this. Unhide this layer. Hold Alt and click here to create clipping mask. Choose Brush tool, make sure foreground color is black, and start brushing. That's it. Hope you liked it.